Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
NFCI is one of the best institutes in the country that is imparting knowledge in the field of hospitality management. We have been operational since 1990. With around 15 campuses in India, we are providing the best education and training to the students in the field of hospitality. We are a pan-India approved center of NSDC, National Skill Development Corporation, providing training in this sector. NFCI has vocational skill courses affiliated with AHLEI, American Hotel and Lodging Educational Institute. Here are the following courses. 1. Certificate in Food Production. As restaurants, hotels, cafes, resorts, and airlines require trained staff with good qualifications, this certification helps you fulfill industry requirements and get a job in these sectors. It is a one-year program with 6 months of industrial training. The eligibility requirement is you should have passed the 10th standard. 2. Certificate in Food Safety and Quality Management. This certification provides you with strong knowledge of food and beverage processing procedures, sanitation practices, HACCP principles, and food safety standards. NSDC courses. Multi-cuisine cook special offer on one-time payment 35,900. It is a one-year training program with 6 months of industrial training. This is responsible for cooking foods and arranging and managing food resources in the kitchen. The eligibility requirement is only 10th.